Getting everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change location on Telegram. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, you can change the language. You can go to settings, language. This is where you can change that. But if you want to change your location, Telegram basically base your location on GPS, and the same thing that maps users or OS. So what we can do, we can install an app called a location charger. I have it installed right here, and this is just a location app which can install in App Store. For example, what we can do, we can change the location to London and hit set, and when we do that we have to shoot an ad. So let's wait till the end. But now it's actually improved like that. Just get rid of the ads, they are really annoying. As you can see, now we go to Telegram because we have set our spiritual location to London. So this is the way how you can change location on Telegram easily. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.